This is a Istio service application that Istio gives. It's called Bookinfo. It's on my MetalLB load balanced page. So there is book details is one API. So book details is one API that is written in Java, and book reviews is one API that is written in Python. And the rating here you see 5 and 4. For reviewer 1 is giving 5 and reviewer 2 for this book, right? So that is the rating API. Okay. So Istio will enable us to deploy all these into Kubernetes cluster with different number of auto scalings and a load balancer. And then in the actual reviewers, I forgot to mention, if I reload the page, so you see that. So in one time we are getting the stars. This is a reviewer with no stars. That is one version. So there is different versions also. So maybe we started off the application with this. Maybe we are doing A/B testing. Maybe we are also doing like a rolled upgrade of the system, and we want to test it on production. And we can either so that is the concept. So this is the API, and if we look at this page as you're seeing, right? You see this full screen. At this product page, there is the Ingress Gateway, Istio, and it's erroring at 3%, and it is taking per second, it is taking this 0.13, and it's HTTP. It is product page, as you saw earlier, is calling the book details, like the details of the page, author, name, and the reviews. Like there is 3 versions. So see that it is doing about 68% is going to the V2 and V3, and the V1 is going about 8.5. Finally, it is calling the ratings because it has to populate the ratings. So as you see, this is all doing in animations, like how the requests are flowing. And if we go to the services, go to the details. So we can see the metrics. This is the Kiali metrics, and we can actually, if we go to applications, let's say we go to ratings, reviews, because there is multiple versions. We can see all this happening, and so there is traffic and how much the time it is taking. Reviews. See, from product page, it is coming to reviews. So now I am in the graph. Now I want to actually do, there are 3 versions for reviews. I want to actually do the routing from here. So basically, I can add a route rule. So it's routing 33% to each, right? And we can delete it. Maybe if we say add a route, we can say the version 1 with no stars, for example, we only want to do this. So it will do all of that for us automatically if we create, and the Kiali will do that routing. So it will enable us to do canary updates and other updates. And this is the application, and I installed the Grafana add-on also for this. So if we go on there, there is Istio dashboards, right? We can see the service dashboard. 15. So as you can see, there are requests in between, right? And we can see the server success rates, the client workloads. So the product page got all these requests, and it is showing us all that. And also it is showing us if we go to the performance dashboard, and if we click the last 30 minutes, see the performance of the Ingress Gateway, how it performed. In the pilot and proxy, we are able to see gateway and the CPU usage. And, because I was doing only manually, I did not hit actually with the curl. So that is the thing. And then that's so we have a Istio microservices for a very multiple languages and with lot of monitoring and different versions for individual APIs. We're able to monitor it. So I installed MetalLB load balancers. I also enabled some port forwardings, Istio Ingress Gateway add-ons like Grafana, Prometheus, Git Bash. I did this. So I did a lot of debugging and